All right, let's talk about tinnitus. What is that? That ringing in the ear that is really annoying, especially when there's no sound around and you feel that. Yeah, we don't like that. So recently I have a new patient that she has been suffering for tinnitus for years. By the 5th appointment, 6th appointment, she told me, hey, Dr. Ciuto, I don't hear that ringing in the ear anymore. Now how we did that? Adjustment. By removing that pressure out of the nerve, what we call subluxation. By the 5th appointment, 6th appointment, it was gone. So if you're suffering for that ringing in the ear, tinnitus, come to Lowe Chiropractic. Let's get you an exam, get a plan, and get the result that you're looking for.